So, hi everyone, we have here the Xiaomi Band 8 and I got the black version. Here it has a crystal clear full AMOLED screen, up to 16 days battery life, easy detachable straps, a 100 exercise mode. We have a water resistance, professional analysis, and sleep monitoring all day SpO2, and a wrist course. And of course, here's how it looks. So for now, the watch would be put in there for later. Inside the box, we have its charging cable, and here's how it looks like. It's pretty slim. Then on this side is we have the manual, which I don't really read. And here's how the watch looks. It's pretty slim, a really big screen, and if I put it here, it's really nice, really great. And to power, as you can see, there's no power button on the sides, so it is a waterproof. And to power this off, you need to open it with this one, and it just magnetizes itself and it will open. And just to show you guys how it opens, I'll just use my power bank, and here it is. And that's how you open this device. And this has the black version comes with the black strap. So here it is. If you double tap, you would see here's, you can swipe down, it's the notification. If you swipe up, you can go to the settings. Lots of it's like there's stats, workout, activity, running, status, heart rate, vitality, SpO2, sleep, stress, weather, alarm, setting, and more. And let's go to more. There's events, alerts, breathing, cycles, stopwatch, music, find phone, world clock, silence, camera, timer, flashlight, and focus. So if I go to the settings and I go to the display, you could see that you can auto brightness or you can do custom. I usually do custom. This is the darkest, which you can see actually at night, and the one that I'm currently using right now, since it's sunny, is the brightest. Then you can choose the auto lock, 5 to up to 5 minutes. Then you can use raise to wake, screen on, always on display, cover to sleep. Overall, it's really nice. And here you can change the band displays. Let's go quickly to the settings and band display. I have downloaded quite a few, like this one, super cute. It's a ship. And you can download the band displays on the apps. Okay, another one. Oh my gosh. You can choose some. You can download. I have already downloaded. And here are the other ones. And I really like most of them. As you can see, this one is really cute as well. It's like a pretty much dolphin. Then let's choose another one. This one is pretty classic as well. Really good. I really like it so much.